All right, guys, so you've been there before. You're cruising down the highway, you're having a good time, you're taking in all the sights around you, with a bam, a freaking pebble hits you right in the hands. Now, I don't know about you, but I've experienced this on several occasions, and it's pretty freaking painful. So today what we're gonna do is put a little modification on this bike that's gonna help with all that. This is going to be the handguard installation from Memphis Shades. Okay, so before we get started, I want to go ahead and say thank you, Memphis Shades, for sending me out these handguards. If you guys are wondering which part number fits the Sport Glide, it's right there. All right, as I was saying just a little bit ago, I've had this happen to me on multiple occasions. You hit a pebble or a bug on the road and it just sucks, and it stings, and it's just pain you want to go away immediately. But with the Memphis Shades handguards, you can eliminate all that from happening and protect your hands a lot better. Another reason I've been wanting these was because in the springtime when I start riding again, I'm gonna get a lot of cool days in the morning when I ride to work or ride to wherever. So what these are gonna do is help keep my hands warmer longer and also protect them from bugs and from pebbles and other road debris. Okay, so let's do a little unboxing and get them put on. All right, so here's all the contents in the box. You got the 2 wind guards, you've got 2 brackets, 2 little lock washers, and some instructions. All right, so if you want to take a look at the handguards here, they're made from aircraft grade lucite, which is a pretty strong acrylic plastic. So these things are going to hold up really well over the course of time. All right, so we're going to assemble the throttle side first, and we're going to use the short bracket because you got a short and a long one. You don't want to use the short one. All right, so first we're going to disassemble this and assemble it right on to the throttle side handguard. Take all these pieces out. Next thing you want to do is you want to take these 2 grommets and put them through these holes. Make sure both sides are flat on both sides perfectly. There's number 2. Next step, you want to take these little plugs and insert them right into the holes. Pop them through like that. Those little flat sides, you probably want those parallel with each other or going straight across the same way. Next, take your bracket, stick it on here like so, and put in your screws with your washer on it. Don't over tighten these, just get them pretty snug. That way you're not stripping anything. And we should end up with something like that. All right, next step, we're gonna loosen the A-core nut here that holds the mirror on. And be careful when you're doing this too, because once you remove this, the housing for the turn signal light is gonna come off as well. So make sure you're holding on to this as well. And take your mirror off. Just let the housing hang right there. Or another thing too, when you take this little housing off for your turn signal, you've got one of these little lock washers. It's gonna fall out if you don't have caution. So look for that when you take this out. So make sure you're watching out for this and don't lose it. All right, so take your mirror stem, put it through the hole here. And then you're gonna put one of these lock washers right on here, and we're gonna reassemble it. And there's the first one. A little dirty, we'll have to clean it off, but looks good. All right, so what we're gonna do is the same thing to the other side. Just assemble everything using the rest of the pieces and you should be fine. I'm gonna fast forward right through it real quick, so here we go. Well guys, there you go. Real simple mod you can do to your bike that's gonna make a total difference in your ride. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you have, please hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that bell icon. That way you know when I upload videos just like this one. Until next time, ride safe, be aware, take it sleazy. I'll see you in the next video.